So this is how to buy Hedera crypto in Canada using Robinhood. So once Robinhood is open, at the very bottom, select the option in the middle of the magnifying glass. Once you're on the Explore page here, at the top where it says Explore, below that search by name or symbol, just start typing in Hedera, or if you want to type in ticker symbol HBAR or HBAR, both will work. Select it, and then at the bottom, press Buy. Once you're on this page, you can go to the top right to where it says market order, and then you can choose your market order in Canadian dollars or your market order in Hedera. I will just keep it at market order in Canadian dollars. Now, once you're here, you can type in the amount of Hedera crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $2 worth, you would type in 2 and then just press review. Then you can review the transaction here so you can see how much Hedera you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Hedera crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.